Kim Chiu naging emotional at maluha-luha nung tanggapin niya ang award ng Outstanding Asian Star sa 19th Seoul International Drama Award. Emotional si Kim Chiu sa acceptance speech niya sa Seoul International Drama Award 2024. Nanalo ang aktres ng Outstanding Asian Star Award sa 19th Seoul International Drama Award. Tinanggap niya ang parangal ngayon, September 25 sa KBS Hall. Pinasalamatan ni Kim ang mga taong nasa likod ng matagumpay niyang career. Umiyak siya nang banggitin ang yumaong Dreamscape Entertainment head na si Dio Edrenal na palagi raw nagpupush sa kanya na ibigay ang best niya. I'm truly overwhelmed to be standing here tonight with pride and honor. I want to express my gratitude to these incredible people who made this moment possible. First, my company, ABS-CBN, Star Magic, Derek Lauren, who is here tonight. Thank you for always believing in me. To the team behind the show, Lin Lang, Dreamscape Entertainment family. To my co-star, without your hard work, guidance, passion, and vision, none of this would be possible. I share this honor with every single one of you. And to my ever-loving supportive fans, this award is also for you. And lastly, I want to dedicate this honor to the person who is no longer with us, my boss, my mentor, my dear friend Sir Dio, lahat ng aktres. Kaya pala maluha-luha itong si Kim Chiu dahil naalala niya si Dio Edrenal na pumanaw na. So kayo mga Marites, ano ang inyong naging reaction dito? Proud Pinoy na naman kasi nasungkit na naman ni Kim Chiu ang parangal. So hanggang dito na lang. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Karidad Official TV. Hanggang sa muli and thank you so much.